Every day, check all parts and accessories, for example, software pad, safety line, for dirt and moisture. Wipe your sound processor and accessories with a soft, dry cloth. Check the microphone protectors for signs of dirt or grime. Every 3 months, replace the microphone protectors. Snap the cover onto your sound processor. Every month, replace the software pad if it is worn or damaged. Your sound processor has an integrated internal battery that needs regular charging. The Cochlear home charger will store, dry, and charge your sound processor at the same time. Simply connect the charger to a power source and place the fully assembled sound processor inside overnight for optimal drying effect. When you close the lid, your sound processor will begin charging. The processor light will flash green while charging. The light changes to a steady green when the sound processor is fully charged. For longer active days, or when it isn't convenient for you to use your home charger, your sound processor also has an optional portable charger. When fully charged, this device will provide your sound processor with one full charge. It will also power your sound processor so that you can still hear while it is charging. Before using your portable charger, charge it by plugging it into the home charger. You can charge your portable charger at the same time as your sound processor. It takes around 3 hours to charge the portable charger. You can check its charge level by pressing the button. When fully charged, 4 lights will display. To use the portable charger, connect the cable, then connect the cable to your Kanso 3 sound processor socket. To fully charge a depleted sound processor will take approximately 3 to 4 hours. When fully charged, your sound processor will display a steady green light. You can then disconnect the cable by lifting the connector upwards from the sound processor socket. It is important to keep your sound processor accessories clean and dry. You should check your chargers for dirt and moisture every day and wipe them with a soft, dry cloth. For more information, visit our website.